Dinner again? Didn't we just eat yesterday? Tonight I am pulling out two get it done chicken dinners, a 15-minute stir fry straight from the freezer aisle, and a sheet pan caprese chicken that roasts while I get to hide from my kids. Let's make weeknights suck a little less. Start off by sauteing your chicken in a pan. Add in a healthy dose of garlic. We don't judge here. Packet sauce, cute, but we can do way better. Goodbye, mystery goo. Hello, 2-minute homemade stir fry magic. Dinner's done. Veggie packed, saucy, and ready faster than delivery. Who says freezer aisle shortcuts can't look and taste good? A hit of fresh basil and that balsamic drizzle, boom. Weeknight chicken just went full Tuscany. When I say that my toddler is a straight savage, this is what I mean. It's a red potato. Trying to take bites out of that. He has like 5 teeth. What? No, it's gonna be too late. Remember, her mom said the first time, not after. Once the chicken is seasoned, choose your adventure. Follow the rules, 375 for 10 minutes, or be a rebel like me and roast everything at 425 with the veggies. Either way, dinner is gonna cook. Normally, I'd slap on plain mozz, but thanks to that Costco haul, hello, burrata. Look at me pretending to be fancy. If I could be a herb, I would probably choose fresh basil. Is that weird? Anyways, let's slice that up into little ribbons. Golden brown chicken crowned with molten burrata and a tangy balsamic drizzle, surrounded by Brussels sprouts and baby potatoes roasted until the edges blister, all kissed with garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Crispy outside, fluffy inside. Every bite is creamy, juicy, and garlicky savory, like sheet pan comfort food got an Italian upgrade. Want more dinners you can practically taste through the screen? Hit subscribe and binge last week's pulled pork and sweet potato fry masterpiece. Your future self and your hungry crew will thank you. Join the chaos.